The dog is... Sorry, I've just got Kylo in the background, which you may see. He's there. Kylo! Say hello to everyone. Yeah, there you go. He's not the most shy of dogs. Yo, what's cracking, guys? My name is Texter, and welcome to what is the first in a series of videos that I'm going to be doing, which forgive the name, called Remembering Windows. Yeah, I'm not the most creative with names, so yeah. Oh, and the camera's gone. Camera's gone a bit way. Okay, cool. The camera's not like destroyed itself, so that's right. Okay, let's try that again. Right. Yo, what's cracking, guys? My name is Texter, and welcome to what I'm planning to be doing. That ain't even English, so I'm gonna start that again. First things first. So everything I'm doing here, everything I'm going to be doing in my future Windows video things, I'm gonna words. Wow, this is gonna make for great bloopers, isn't it? Why are all these a thing? Why do you need to type cinema tickets into like a Word document? Document. Oh man, wow. Okay, that's another one for the bloopers. It's free. Quick Google search. It's free to install, and it basically allows you to create a virtual machine. Machine. Wow. Oh wow. Okay. I can't speak today. I'm just going to give up. So what I'm going to be using today is VM.